There are 3 major mistakes that keep professionals stuck at their job. Oh, job seekers continuously applying for jobs after job that having no success. I am Dr. Francis Mbunya, and I help professionals turn long period of frustration into meaningful success in their career. If you've been applying for jobs or trying to grow in your career and nothing seems like it is happening, you're not the problem. The problem is simply because you've not found the right strategy. Now, here are 3 things that you can do to turn things around. Number 1, stop focusing on chasing a promotion based on salary. Salary and promotion only become meaningful when you're going in the right direction. When you're not going in the right direction, increase in salary only frustrates you. Secondly, stop updating your resume and sending multiple resume after resume out. Your resume is not a problem. I always tell my students that when someone pick up your resume, beyond what it is written, there is a person they are looking for. You must become the person in your resume. How do you become the person in your resume? It's not about adding numerous keys. It's about finding out what is going to make you stand out in that career and building that insight in a way that that insight can reflect in the hands of anyone holding your resume. And some of the strategy I have leveraged to help my students actually stand out is helping them replicate or repeat some certain activities and habits over and over again for a consistent period of time in a way that it becomes their second nature. Currently, I'm not in the job market, but then I constantly receive invitation on my LinkedIn if I want to interview. Now, this is because I have learned how to leverage insight that can help my resume stand out, not by updating it, but by specifically focusing on aspects that can announce me at any time in front of the job that I am looking for. The third thing, and to me it's very important, is ignoring purpose and faith. You cannot really go far without a vision. A vision is what fuels you daily. The reason I'm able to do videos consistently and still keep my job is because I can focus on something bigger than the job. I can focus on something bigger than this video. These are strategies which I'm going to be sharing with you in my upcoming webinar, Career Growth Acceleration. I want to show you how you can transform your career in less than 1 month. And this is going to be a lifetime benefit for you. And that is why I want you to register right now for that upcoming webinar. In the webinar, I will show you how to gain clarity for your next move. And I'll be touching on how to leverage these 2 powerful tools, your resume and LinkedIn, to stand out. But most importantly, I want to show you how you can craft a 12-month plan that can transform your career. The major problem has never been to get a job quicker. The problem has always been getting a direction. People will sustain their job are people who receive the right direction. And I want this to be you. But you will not be able to get there unless you receive some guidance. And the best person to walk you through this is someone who have helped thousands of people. And that is me. I'll be your coach. I'll be your guide. Register for the Career Growth webinar.